tool is the user's acceptance document. Okay, welcome everyone. So today's tool is the user acceptance document. So the user acceptance document captures and stores customer sign-offs and approvals for various deliverables. So we talked about it in the formal acceptance document. That's for the whole project. The user acceptance is just for deliverables. I accept this report. I accept this dashboard. I accept this screen, right? So the user acceptance document represents specific project deliverable approvals, not for the full project itself. Right? The user acceptance document stores signatures and approvals for work deliverables. I just wanted to overemphasize that because it's really important to have that distinction. Okay, let's look at our planning questions as we always do. When would you create the tool? Who's going to use the tool? Right, and so the project manager sends the formal acceptance document to capture the approval at that particular phase, right? Or for that particular deliverable. So who's going to use it? Well, the project manager will use it, the customer will use it, anyone where we're looking for that particular sign-off. Why are you going to use the tool? Because you want formal acceptance for that particular phase or that particular dashboard or that particular deliverable in the project, right? How are you going to use it? You're going to capture the acceptance. Right? When will you use it, right? How will you distribute the information? What decisions? Well, if someone doesn't sign off, there's a very clear decision. The decision can be that you are not actually going to move forward with it. So that's another decision that you can make. Let's jump into the actual definitions. There's a definition there. And so as we scroll down, so here's an example. So you can see this is very different than the formal acceptance. This acceptance forms acts as a formal document for X deliverable. So see how it's not approving the project itself, how it's actually doing just a particular deliverable. This is just a template. There's a million different templates out there. You can use whatever you want. Your PMO will probably deliver that, or you can use this as a starting point. But again, we really want to focus on how you use this tool and the goodness around this tool, but it's all around accepting a particular deliverable on the project. Again, if you like this, like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you all, and I'll see you online. Thanks. Excited to walk you through this. So as part of our course that we've been walking through, the Project Management Communication Tools course I've been putting up on YouTube and you guys have been watching, a lot of people are asking me about how do I get the actual files and how do I get this information. So a couple things I wanted to point out. If you jump into the paid tools, there's really 2 or 3 components I want to show you here. First of all the various PDF files. So for projects, for small projects, here's a PDF file, and what we've done, and you've seen this before, but we've broken down the tools of what you should use for small projects, what you should use for medium projects, what you should use for large projects. So we've broken all those down. And so as we go through this course, you're going to see, and I'll just jump into one of them, for example, you're going to see it's really a PDF of the book. It's 158 pages, so as we go through the course and we look at customer requirements and you actually see all the text and stuff that we're going through, that comes directly from the book. And so what we've done here is we've broken them down. So small projects from 1 week to 3 months, here are the tools in initiation, here are the tools in planning, and so on and so on. So you guys can go check those out on my store at any time. I'll come back, and again, of course, there's the medium projects and then for large projects. Now, again, if you're looking for the tools, so you actually love these and you don't want to hand type these tools are certainly right available right there. So again, it's really, really important as we walk through and you guys understand the tools and you want to start using the tools, you can certainly hand type all these tools, not a problem, or you can spend that low price and grab these tools and make them available for you right now. So very, very excited. I just want to spend a couple minutes. It's dowpublishingllc.com/store-2. Very easy to find. The files are right there. And again, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks.